Hello guys, this is Hard Reset, and if your listings in Airbnb aren't loading, reservations aren't updating, or you can make a booking, try this. Restart the app. Then check permissions. Allow some if it's needed. Then check your internet connection. If it's good, try to reinstall the application. So open it, and everything what we did, if it didn't help you, what we did before, just try to reboot your phone. Turn it off, then turn it on, and it will help you. Thank you so much, and see ya guys.